Okay. Today we have another product from Aliexpress, and this one costs around $3 and it's a different device. And what is it? What it says? It's a color bulb humidifier. Mini USB humidifier suitable for car for home. Oh, and it looks like a bulb that works on 5 volts. Alright, I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it. Okay. Ooh, bulb humidifier. What is this? Instruction manual. Palms and some kind of crystals. Alright. The USB cable. And let's take a look at the bulb. Ooh, I hate stickers. Okay. It's not glass, it's plastic. Okay. Let's see the description. Nothing important. Ooh. Let's see what it says in description. It says that a water cup or the water bulb, its capacity of 400 milliliters. Okay. Bulb humidifier, rated power 2 watts, 400 milliliters, input voltage 5 volts, charging current 1 ampere, usage time 6 hours with one fully completed with water. The length of the cable is 1 meter. Oh, okay, I can place it vertical or tilted. Okay, let's open it. No, I need to pull. Whoa, whoa, that is a small hole. How to add the palms and the crystals? Never mind, I'm gonna do it later. And inside this base there is an electronic humidifier. And what it says, Mr. Google: electronic humidifier, often called an ultrasonic humidifier, adds moisture to the air by using a vibrating diaphragm piezoelectric transducer to break water into cool, fine mist of microscopic droplets. Yes. Alright. And on the side we have the micro USB for connecting the cable. Oh, we have one button right here, maybe to change colors, because I don't remember which color I ordered it. I'm gonna try to add this. Oh, yes, you can do it. Whoa, and it's inside, but it doesn't stay straight. Never mind. I'm gonna add the crystals. Okay. Oh, I need to put some water now. And yes, this foam or sponge is replaceable, so you can do that also. Can I open it? Okay, I'm gonna leave it for later or other day. Now I'm gonna add some water to the bulb, gently. This is straight. or vertical. And what is it? Oh, this is super nice. This is the way. Not vertical, but this way. And this is the piezoelectric transducer, and from here we're gonna see the mist. I'm gonna plug in the power in 3, 2, 1. Okay, nothing happens. Maybe I need to press the button. Whoa! It starts working, but there is no light. Why? One more press. Turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off. If I hold it, and now we have the light. Alright, let me kill the light so you can see better. Okay, with one press you activate the humidifier, but with long press you can turn on the LEDs. I'm gonna do that first, holding, and take a look. And one more press, and it's working. I have placed a small flashlight behind so you can see better the mist, and it's pretty cool, and it's looking awesome because it's a bulb. Oh, and it's cold. When you touch the mist, it's cold. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love that diamonds or palm inside the bulb. Cool look. And we have RGB LEDs inside and changing the colors with fading. Nice. Whoa. Beautiful. The link for this product will be in description below so you can check it. And when I press it, it turns off, but the light stays on. Long press, turn it off. And now let's see how much current is pulling this thing. I'm gonna use my USB doctor or USB wattmeter. Plug in, pressing the button. Wow, immediately start to work, and it's pulling around 220 milliamperes, and that is nothing. I'm gonna turn on the lights too. Now it's pulling 250 milliamperes. Whoa, I love this gadget, and I'm gonna put in my room to humidify the air. Take a look how it's working. Beautiful. Working perfect. And the only bad thing about this gadget, it's that you need to be careful. It's easy to be drop and spill the water. So this way, vertical, the best way, or lay down. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out. But it's making too much mist. Take a look. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!